Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and search for Airbnb listings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply open any browser you prefer and search for Airbnb and click on the first link right over here. Now once you've done that, on the top right hand, make sure that you are already logged in into your account. Now in order for you to go ahead and search for a specific place, you can go ahead and click on select where you want to head to. So for example there, and let's say I want to head to it on 20, checkout might be 22, and then I can simply go ahead and click on add one guest and click on search. So as you can see, it's gonna simply pop up and show me the places that I can go ahead and stay on. So that is about it. These are all the listings on Airbnb. As you can see, just go ahead and book any that you prefer. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.